But yeah, this is Chainsaw Man Chapter 1. Let's get it. And this is the color version. So I got the color version. This is a work of fiction. There are no relations to any real persons, groups, events, etc. The author's original art and color drawings will. Okay, yeah. But yeah, this is the color version I found. Chainsaw Man, Chapter 1, Dog and Chainsaw, Tatsuki Fujimoto. We're at Chapter 1. Today we're going to be at Chapter 1. We're going to read Chapter 1, Dog and Chainsaw. Chapter 2, The Place Where Puchita. Chapter 3, Arrival in Tokyo. And Chapter 4, Power. Chapter 5, A Way to Touch Some Boobs. So that's like the first 5 chapters we're going to read. That's key. Tree cutting gets me 60,000 yen a month. The kidney I just sold 1.2 million yen. My right eye 300,000 yen. So one of my nuts for how much did it go for again? Not even 100,000 yen. That brings my debt down to 38,040,000 yen. Let me see, how much is that exactly? How much is? Let's just put like 30 million yen to USD. Dang, 240,000 or 240,000. Okay, back to the chapter. Woof. Okay, already Puchita. I know. Let's go kill something. Killing just one devil. Nets me about 300,000 yen. Yep, being a devil hunter is the best way to make some moolah. Chapter 1, Dog and Chainsaw. Oh, Puchita. This one's a tomato devil, sir. It'll come back from the sea, so you should burn it. Good job, Denji. This corpse will fetch a healthy sum on the black market. Your rewards, 400,000 yen. Wow, thanks. Which is 170,000 after subtracting your debt and interest. Then after taking out the finer's fee, etc., only 70,000 yen left for me. After I used this to pay the water bill, plus the debts I got to other people, that's funny. I'm already down to 1,800 yen. Got nothing to eat at home. We have to live on this for the rest of the month. Okay, Pochita. Our meal for the day is a single slice of bread. That's pretty unfortunate. Why are we employing some kid as a devil hunter? We making him pay back his debt to us. More accurately, his worthless dad's debt. Is a kid with a pet devil really fit to be a devil hunter? No devil hunter worth their salt. Would deal dead devil bodies to the Yakuza. How would they? Plus, what's nice about Denji, he always does as he's told. Hey Fido, I'll give you 100 yen to eat this cig. You mean it, sir? Down hatch. Well, we'll call you again the next time there's a devil. And remember, if you went away, you'll be a pig slop. Yeah. Now we'll be ready to eat for the next 3 days. I heard something recently. Apparently it's normal to eat your bread with jam on it. I like to eat this, I like strawberry jelly. Strawberry jam is the best. I don't like grape. I think strawberries the best to put on toast, to put on bread. So that's my opinion. I prefer strawberry. What do y'all like? What do y'all prefer? Cause me, I prefer strawberry. Let's get back to the reading. Oh, it's just a pipe dream for us anyway. Feels like I'll be paying off my debt till the day I die. And I'll probably never get to go out with a girl. Can't ask a girl over to my rundown shack. I don't got money for a date either. If dreams do come true, I want to hug a girl before I die.
Bastard hung himself without making this month's payment. Kid, I don't care if you beg for it or whore yourself out. Have 700,000 yen ready by tomorrow, or I'll cut your corpse into pieces and sell you.
A chainsaw? It's a devil. If you're gonna kill me, get over with. I'm gonna die anyway. You're hurt. Are you gonna die too? Bite me. I heard that if a devil drinks blood, its wounds heal. If you don't want to die, then bite me. My blood doesn't come free. This is a contract. I'll save you, so you save me. I don't want to die either. Will you hire me as a devil hunter, sir? So hungry. I can't sleep. When I can't sleep, I think about my debt, and then it's even harder to just fall asleep. Oh, I know. This is what I'll dream of when I fall asleep tonight. I'll spread jam on sliced bread and eat with you. I'll flirt and stuff with a girl. We'll play video games in our room together, and I'll fall asleep in her arms. Good dream, right? My mom, they said she had a heart condition, that she died coughing up blood. Denji got devil time for work. Wish they would at least let me dream. I just want to stop for a moment and just say this. I can't believe Denji's like 16. I don't know why I thought he was like older than that. So like one day I found out he was like 16. I was like, wait, what? Denji's 16? I think he was older than that. Like, I really thought this whole time he was older than that. I must not really pay attention to his age. I just thought, like, so I really thought he was older than that. But no, he's 16. I don't know how he is now. Like, a devil showed up, sir. I don't see it. Maybe it hit somewhere. Right.
Denji boy, we're grateful to you, you know.
Oh, yes, sir.
You're obedient like a dog, and you work for cheap treats like one too.
Uh-huh.
I hate dogs, can't stand the smell. We Yakuza's boys, we wanted to get stronger to make more money. So we decided to do like you and make our own deal with the devil. What we want is the devil's power, and what I want is the deaths of all devil hunters. Hey, little devil hunter, these guys, they're seriously stupid, total suckers. When I said I would give them my devil power, they became my slaves, freaking willingly. Too bad my power turns people to zombies, cause I'm the zombie devil.
Devil hunters kill us. Devils ate them, so I killed them. You guys cut them into pieces and dumped them in the garbage. Just dreaming a noble life was enough for me. Do I not even get to have that much? Okay. Vegeta, time to go to work. Vegeta, I might die while fighting devils. Let me know if I went too fast with the images. If I do, you'll be my one regret. If you do, you'll be my one regret. You could starve to death or get killed by another devil hunter. I heard some devils can take over dead bodies. If you're one of them, then I want to give my body to you. If you want, till I'm in the ground. Hold on. If you wait till I'm in the ground, I bet that even the Yakuza won't come after you. Then you could leave this town, and then, yeah. I want you to live a normal life and die a normal death. Make my dreams come true for me. Vegeta, woof. Did you take my body like I told you to? I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams. This is a contract. I'll give you my heart in exchange. Show me your dreams. Vegeta, my wounds are gone. Vegeta. Huh? We cut him to ribbons and he still left? Gross. I will hate devil hunters. You guys eat that freak. These guys had plenty. How come they wanted even... How come they wanted even more? Maybe I'm the same. I should have been happy as long as I had Vegeta. But I still dreamed of a better life. Oh, I get it. Everybody dreams you can't... Oh, I get it. Everybody dreams. You can't help it. Then dreaming's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing, but... If you're gonna get in our way, then die. He has to stay dead if we eat him. And he becomes the chainsaw man. What are you? Did that small fry that will take over the body? Then you're one of us, right? Look at the details. This looked cool when it was animated. Did any of y'all watch the Chainsaw Man anime? It looked really cool. Oh, speaking of the anime, I need to watch the movie. I need watch the movie. Looks like you guys turn into devils down to your hearts. And since I get paid to be a devil, oh wait, sorry, this is Denji. Since I get, oh my goodness, sorry, I tripped because the voices. And since I get paid to be a devil hunter, I gotta kill devils dead. Gah. I know. If I kill every last one of you, it's bye-bye death. Machina. Looks like someone beat us to the punch. Got a live one. You have a particular smell. It isn't human or devil. Did you do this? Hold me. You're human. Any chance he's a devil's possession? None you can see possession on our faces. I came here to kill the Sami devil. I'm a public safety devil hunter. You have two choices. One, be killed by me as a devil. Or two, be kept by me as a human. If you're my pet, food? What would Food? What would I get for breakfast? Let's see. Bread with butter and jam, salad, coffee, and maybe dessert. That's a dream come true. I can't believe it, you know, that's pretty sad when you think about it. All he ever wanted, like the most simplest basic thing, like bread with jam on it. That's like the like peak of his existence. Like just it's just really sad though when you think about it, because like the cards were not dealt in his favor. Oh, that was chapter 1. Now we go to chapter 2. Chapter 2, the place where Pochito is. That's my stomach. We haven't had breakfast yet. Let's grab some food at the rest stop. Sorry, I'm broke. Pick anything you want, I'll pay. Really? Also, you'll draw attention shirtless. Put this on. People always call me dirty and smelly. Nobody ever comes near me. This is the first time I've been treated nice. And by a pretty girl at that. I'm in love. Oh, I'll have udon and a hot dog. Is that okay? Sure thing. Help me. I'm a public safety devil hunter, sir. What happened? A devil snatched my daughter. My little girl, it took her into the woods. Carry udons up? Oh, that's me. What's your name? It's Denji. Okay, Denji. I don't want my noodles to get soggy. You go kill the devil by yourself. Huh? But I'm having udon too. An experienced devil hunter is on the job, sir. He'll save your daughter. Please remain inside the building for your safety. Really? Did you forget? You're my pet. Only answer with yes or woof. Well, what's that mean? I don't need a dog who says no. I heard from an acquaintance in the crime scene division that our useless dogs get utilized. Come on, the udon gets soggy. Off you go. What's your answer? Yes. I thought she was nice. I even liked her a little. I can't believe she was that scary, treating me like a damn dog. Oof. I just remember Pochito's dead. Blah. Ha 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 ha. Ah. Oh, please, let this devil go. Wait, what? My daddy, when he has a bad day, he beats me. When he was hitting me in the parking lot today, this nice devil saved me. So please don't kill him. Our useless dogs used to die. Hey, wanna run away together, the three of us? Huh? I was buddies with the devil too, I know. They're good devils. But if I let this devil go, they're gonna kill me. So do you wanna run away? Huh. Can we? We totally can. Huh? I win. Yeah, it's just so creepy looking. What the hell is this? I'll show you something cool before you die. I'm the muscle devil, and that means I'm gonna have some fun with this female brat now. Wait, hold on. I can control any muscles that I'm touching. Believe yourself. Behave yourself over there, okay? Yeah. What a relief. I won't feel bad for killing a low life like you. Ow, 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 ow. Wait, I can't remember. Was this part in the anime? I can't remember. It's been a long time since I watched the anime. Or did they cut this part out in the anime? I can't remember. Let me know if this was in the anime. It's been a long time since I watched the anime, so I can't even remember. Cause I remember, all I remember is she found Denji, and then they met up with everyone else. I think. I think that's how it went. I see, you're a useful dog. Woof. Oh, she smells good. You okay? Sorry, I end up cutting my own body with the chainsaws too. Looks like I lost too much blood and get faint. How did your body end up like that? My pet devil became my heart. Unbelievable, right? I don't want to believe it either. That Puhicha died for me. Historically speaking, your condition has very few predecessors. So few, it hasn't even been named. I believe you. I have an amazing note. Wait, I don't know why I got up. I have especially good notes, so I can tell. Your best friend is still alive inside you, and not in the poetic sense. Your body has two senses, human and devil. Okay. Wow, that's a huge relief. I'll eat that udon. You look unsteady. Can you feed yourself? I can't. Good. Woof. Oh yeah. I remember this now. I remember this part. Okay, but it was like in the anime. Okay. Hard to believe you actually enjoy that soggy udon. What a good boy. You really are like a dog. Hey, what's your name, Makima? Miss Makima. Oh. What type of god do you like? Someone like this boy named Digi. Come on, bro. Don't fall for it, please. Don't fall for this. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't fall for this. She's just trying to butter you up. She's just trying to butter you up. Come on, don't fall for this, Denji. Denji, no, Denji, no. Denji, no. Let me, okay. This is Devil Hunter Tokyo HQ. Including civilians, there are more than a thousand devil hunters in Tokyo. Lead public safety devil hunters get a lot of paid days off and the best benefits package. If Makima likes me, then as we work together, won't we end up becoming, if we're in that kind of relationship, couldn't we do that kind of stuff too? Well, get your head out of the gutter. I want to do it. I want to do that stuff so bad. Yo, oh my goodness, why is he like this? Bro, he's so down bad. Like, he needs to get a grip. Denji, yes. We typically work in uniform. Put this on. Once you're changed, I'll introduce you to one of your colleagues. Yeah, I forgot his name. I know him, but I forgot his name. This is Aki Yaha. Okay. Aki Yahakawa. Aki Yahakawa. He's 3 years your senior here. For today, tag along with him. I'm not working with you, Miss Makina. Of course not. You and Miss Makina are in completely different links. We're going on patrol. No, Miss Makima. If you perform, we'll be able to work together. So keep your chin up, okay? Hey, sir, does Makima have a boyfriend? Hey, tell me. Hey, come here. You should, quit. Nah. You should quit. If you'll show up tomorrow, I'll give you another thrashing. What's your problem? Maybe your kindness isn't getting through to you. The people who go into this job for shallow reasons end up dead, kid. Among my peers, the ones who became devil hunters just for the money got killed by devils, all of them. The only ones still alive are those who have strong conviction. Let me guess, you became a devil hunter because you've got your eye on Makimo. Ding, ding. Then, I was right to beat you up. You ain't got to do him like that. This is so disrespectful. I'll do you a favor. Tell him like when you got scared of. You got scared of the devil right away. Yeah, get him. Get him, Denji. Get him. You sure are a nice guy. You sure are a nice guy. When I fight guys, I only aim for the crotch. Whew. Today I ate udon for the first time in a hot dog too. It's the first time I got treated like a person. This is the first time I got treated to a meal. To me, this is like living a dream. Maybe I became a devil hunter for a really shallow reason. But I'm willing to die to keep living like this. Actually, I take that back. Maybe life isn't mine alone. Why is he still kicking him there? Why is he still kicking him there? Sorry. A dog like you has no place like in Makima. Huh? What gives? You just want her for yourself. You seriously only aim for the balls? You guys, yeah, that's how I imagine him saying. Like, he's like, you seriously only aim for the balls. Crap. I don't know who said crap. I'm assuming didn't she say crap? A testicle devil attacked his balls. That's a lie. He made that up. So, what do you think? Can you get along? Not a chance. This guy is scum. I'm glad you guys are hitting it off. I'm putting Denji in your squad, Hayakawa. Squad? This Doug, really? But we already have so many troublemakers as it is. If we had any more weirdos. I told you. When we created your squad, didn't I? That I would try operating it with a unique experimental setup. Just who is this guy? Denji here is a human, but he could turn into a devil. How do you like that, badass, right? Are you serious? I've only heard rumors about cases like that. Denji is special, so it's been decided that we'll treat him as a special case. If Denji ever quits or disobeys orders, he'll be put down as a devil. Wait, what's that mean? It means we'll be working together until death do us part. And the fact that she said it with a straight face, she's for real, like she's serious about this. Turns out you're gonna live with me so we can keep an eye on you. FYI, they told me I can kill you if you run away. Hey, is Makima a bad person? If you think so, then give up on her. If you're a devil, just be grateful we're letting you live.
We're devil hunters, remember? Then is she a good person? Of course, she's a good person. I owe her my life. I want to hug her again. Say what?
That's chapter 3. Okay, here's chapter 4. Chapter 4, power. Oh yeah, power. She's coming out. Okay, let me. Strawberry jam. I'm telling you, man, strawberry is the best. The best. Turn the lights back off. Strawberry jam, plum jam, marmalade jam, marmalade and butter, honey, shake some on there too. And also bread is ready. Imagine seeing this in person. It's like, yeah. Union job. Paydays. You're taking too long in the bath. You're taking too long in the bath. Don't sleep on the toilet. We got a fiend inside. He's business, civilian evacuation, and lockdown of the scenes can be at this time. If the fiend target is holed up in the room on the table, we'll let you the hunters handle this. Mr. Hayakawa, is that the witcher? Hey, what's a fiend? School? No? Didn't you go to school? Oh, wait. Hold on. No? Didn't go to school. A devil that's taken over a person's cause. That's a fiend. Oh, really? Then aren't I one? No, their heads have distinct shapes. Well, you understand when you see one. Ew. What do you got going on over here? What do you got going on over here? Fiends have the devil's percent. You could this one. Turn into a devil's shame. Show me your power. Scratching my leg. I'll decide whether you're useful or not. Don't look. I'll kill you. Devil hunters. Twitch. He's talking about. This is Chainsaw Man, by the way. This is Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man, the manga. Hey, why didn't you use your power? Devil power. Well, when I used my power to kill devils, it looks super painful. Like, hold on, who's talking? Oh, it's Denji. Like, I could have ended up as a fiend like this guy too, right? So I guess. I wanted to give this poor guy a painless death. Listen up. Don't you forget this. Fiends are bona fide devils too. A devil hunter shouldn't be sympathizing with devils. My entire family was killed by a devil right before your eyes. The cops down there,
I've gone drinking with them before. They're risking their lives to do their jobs, to protect their wives and kids. Everyone's serious about this, but you. I want to kill devils in ways that cause them to suffer as much as possible. What do you want to be? What do you want to be friends with them?
If there are devils I can be friends with, then yeah, I do. Cause I don't have any friends.
Wait, who? Okay, let me see. I'll remember those words. I'm assuming it's him.
Blah. He sure has a short temper. The truth is, I just didn't want to get blood on these dirty magazines. You gotta love Denji. You really do. Like he's an interesting character. I'm not gonna lie. But he's keeping it real though. Ain't gonna lie. All a man wants is he just wants simple things in life. Like most people want like extraordinary stuff. This guy just wants some like a simple life. Like simple things like jam on bread and boobs. Cause when the chainsaw's blood ends up spraying all over, I did you a favor killing you quick, so I'm taking these. Alright, sexiness, confirmed. Show me your dreams. I'm serious about this too, Vegeta. I'm living a dream, like just like in that contract, aren't I? It's just that I've already crossed the finish line to my dream. He's still chasing his. I get to bathe every day and eat good food with a pretty girl close by. I have a full life now, but it does kind of feel like something's missing. Was there something else, my real true goal? I bet here's something like also a revenge thing. For the guys below, it's protecting their families. Is Makima one too? Is Makima also? Oh my goodness, bro! I swear, this is actually important. This is actually real. It's not fake. This is actually real. Yo, what was the guy that they killed? What was he on? Like, I want to touch some boobs. I gave up on it forever ago, cause I thought it was impossible for me. But I have a decent job now. Couldn't I do it? Jumping straight to sleeping with a woman would be tough for me. But if it's boobs, if I got a strong will, an initiative, couldn't I touch them? Everyone's serious about this, but okay. Everyone's serious about this, but you. So that's what he meant. I found it, dude. What I'm serious about, my goal, it's melons. Fruit? Hey, pay attention, you idiot. What now? I'm pairing you up. What a buddy starting today. Buddy. Makima said she liked me, but if I asked to touch her chest, there's a chance she'll hate me. Okay, she's so. I just want to make sure who's talking, because I don't know. If Alex 18, you're
for small-scale missions. Patrolling is so on. We act in pairs for safety's sake. Perfect timing. Looks like your buddy's here. Be careful. She's a fiend.
Hey, gravel human.
Wait.
My name is Power.
Are you my buddy or whatever? Power? Your name's Power? Wait, you're a fiend. Fiends can be devil hunters? Well, whatever. Looking forward to working with you. I just love the way his face looks right here. We're at the last chapter. But before that, chapter 5. Chapter 5. A way to touch some boobs.
Human, hurry up. Let me kill something's interested for blood.
I can forgive some craziness as long as she's pretty. The issue is how I'm gonna touch some boobs. Fiends are targets for extermination, same as devils, but Power has some high mental facilities. So I put her in Hayakawa's squad. Her horns will attract attention, so only patrol places with low traffic. If you wanted to aim civilian devil hunters or get captured by the police, we're with Public Safety Devil Extermination Special Division 4, sirs. If you tell them that and show them your badge, they should squall and leave you alone. As I said before, Public Safety Devil Extermination Special Division 4 is experimental squad. If it can't deliver results, the hires might break it up at any time. You two know what will happen to you then. There aren't any devils at all. Likely because of me.
Likely because of me.
I don't know, I just feel like
Before I became a fiend, I was a greatly feared devil. The nobody devils all flee from my sin, I'm sure.
what? Wait, what? Then how are we going to deliver results?
If you have any questions,
Ask Hayakawa. He's the one who paired you two up. That jerk, he set me up, didn't he? He teamed me up with Power to keep me from showing what I got. He's trying to force me to quit. Hey, whoa, where do you think you're going? She's fast.
Fighting, battle time.
Oh, the scene is locked down and civilians are evacuated. Requesting backup, but no amigo situation. It's the sea cucumber devil. Sea cucumber devil. Huh? I said the sea cucumber.
I did it. The glory is mine.
It's considered obstruction of justice when a public safety hunter kills a devil. A civilian hunter is already engaged with it. Normally, you would get arrested for it. Power.
you need to think a little more for your eye. And you, Denji, you need to keep her under control. Really? You're blaming me too? Power. Since you were the blood devil before you became a fiend, battling using blood is your specialty. But you're so excitable. Maybe you weren't cut out to be a devil hunter. This guy said to kill it. Did he? He did. Huh? I never said that. Not even close. You're really gonna lie and throw me under the bus like that? I'm not lying. He said that. He said it. This human commanded me to kill the devils. It's true. What creep? What a creep. Seriously, Miss Makima, this devil is a liar. You should be arrested. You're gonna get arrested for the crime of lying and defamatory, or whatever. No, this deceiver told me to do it. Devils can't lie, only humans lie. That's not a thing. You're the proof, stupid face, you lying liar. Humans tell nasty lies. All I did as I was told is the truth. Quit talking all weird to sound cool anymore. It's so creepy. Can you be quiet? I can't. Huh? Good girl, Power. Honestly, I don't really care which one of you was at fault. I want to see big things from you two. Do you think you could show me that? I'll show you. Maybe this isn't the time to be thinking about touching. Why would be the time to think that? Like, is that what you think about 24/7? Getting to have soft drinks, it's like a dream come true to me. But if you keep screwing up, it'll be way worse than not getting to have soft drinks anymore. Still, I can't work with some liar chick. I can only get along with cats. I hate humans, not because they did anything to me. It's like a devil instinct I just do. And I hate devils too, because the devil made off of my pet Meowing. Makima caught me before I could get Meowing back. Meowing might already be dead, but I can't give up. If I could just get Meowing back from that devil, I would do anything, even an ally with a human. I doubt you would understand such sentiment for the likes of a cat. For a cat? That's stupid. I'll do anything to yeah. I'll do anything to touch some boobs, though. Sure enough, I can't comprehend humans. Oh, but if it was a dog, I might get it. What if I said I would let you touch my chest if you got Meowing back from that devil for me? And the gears start turning. The gears just start turning. They're turning right now. The gears turning his head. That damn devil. How dare they kidnap a poor cat? Oh? That's totally unforgivable, right? Yeah. As a devil hunter, I can't let them get away with it.
My goodness, bro. He's only doing all this so you can get sympathy from her to touch her boobs. Because all you think about is boobs. Like the whole page, every time you see him, it's just boobs. It's like it's all it's on his mind. Like 24/7, it's just boobs.
Yeah?
Oh, the cat's all snuggles.
I'll murderize that devil.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, was chapter 5 of Chainsaw Man.